In this video we're going to make a pocket so you can put in your art journal to keep your keepsakes or memorabilia. I'm just going to use an old road map, and before we start I'm going to tear off this side that the binders were in, because they don't look really nice for my pocket. Let's just grab a simple X-Acto knife, put it against the ruler and just take it off. I love using maps, but you can always use something else you have lying around from a magazine or something. I'm going to fold it so you have like a double, and then I'm going to fold it again and put the corners on top of each other so it's pretty much straight. So it's now folded in fours. So I'll let you see. I'll fold over here and I'll fold over there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the first part and I'm going to like flip it inside from this corner to a little bit above that corner. So I'm going to flip it inside. Well, it's easier to make it open and so you can see it better. But now you know what corner I just meant. I'm going to fold it. So when I fold it back together, you see I have one pocket I can slide things in. But I want to have another pocket because maybe I have a lot of keepsakes. But this one I want to have a little bit higher than the other one. So when I fold it, you can see it like peek out above the other one. So I have to like fold it smaller corner. See here? And I'm going to put it back. And now I have two pockets. But I can also make one on top. Then I just have to glue the sides, and I can use glue, I can use fancy tape. But if I don't have any of those, like these are my fancy tapes. Ooh, I love the glitter. But you can use like regular masking tape. This is just from a Home Depot store. And I'm just going to show you, you can just use everything you have in hand, just at home. So I'm just going to put like half of the tape on top. And I'm going to cut off the ends here at the bottom and here on top. And now it's the hard part. Now you're just going to flip it over so it's totally stuck. Well, here you have your pocket. You can put stuff in the first layer, the second layer, and on top. And I'll show you. Here is my homemade sketchbook. And I can just glue it in there. So I have pockets for my memorabilia or all the stuff I want to save for my art journaling. It's just as simple as that. You slide it in, close your sketchbook, and you're done. Well, I'm just going to glue it in for you. This is just a simple glue stick. Nothing fancy, probably something you have lying around. It's so much fun when you make something with just the stuff you have lying around. And you have a unique object. So I'm going to put it on here and I can take it on vacation with me. My own unique book with my own unique pocket.